What's up, YouTube? Back at it again with another YouTube video. This is the Air Jordan 12 International Flight. Yes, this is a sneaker unboxing. Here are the kicks. Here are the kicks. Used, of course, because we sometimes wear our sneakers here at JJ's level. Gonna throw them on foot here. If you're interested, check out the StockX affiliate marketing link in the description. Pretty nice Jordan 12. I think it's significantly underrated. Awesome pair of sneakers, if you ask me. Let's throw them on foot. Just let me know what you think of them. They got like blue suede here and like elephant print leather there. I got some nudies on if you're wondering. Here we are, we finally have them on foot. I might try and pin roll these jeans right here so you can see how they look. Just kind of pull them aside, fold them once or twice. Pull them all the way down. See, once you pin roll the jeans, they do look much better with sneakers. Especially jeans that are quite loose around the ankles. Check out the Amazon affiliate link in the description if you're interested in some nudies. The lean Dean fit looks much better with sneakers, but a lot of people also like the way these loose jeans look when they pin roll them at the ankle. You guys can see the difference for yourself right here. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Goodbye.